I see it on social media all the time, the myth of liability protection from an LLC. Here's why your DIY LLC fails in the real world. One of the biggest myths in small business is the idea that forming an LLC protects you from personal liability all the time. Entrepreneurs hear that line everywhere. It's repeated so often that people stop questioning it. But here's the uncomfortable truth. The LLC doesn't protect you when business operations expose you personally. When you lease commercial space, you will personally guarantee it. When you take out a business loan or a line of credit, you will personally guarantee it. Your business credit card requires a personal guarantee. When you sign a vendor contract, many of them require personal guarantees. The banks, the landlords, the vendors, they don't care that you have an LLC. They care about getting paid, and that's why they require the personal guarantee. So the real protection of an LLC is from internal operations, how members relate to each other, how decisions get made, how money flows, how ownership changes, how disputes get handled, how the business continues if something happens to you. Those protections live in the operating agreement, not in the articles. DIY LLCs either skip the operating agreement entirely, or they use a generic, bare-bones template that ignores the risk points that actually matter when you're operating a business. With Dunlap Law's LLC packages, we educate you on the real sources of liability, the governance issues that break companies, and the best practices that keep them stable. You get proactive counsel, structured follow-up, and a tailored operating agreement built around your goals. Liability protection is not an automatic benefit of forming an LLC. It's the result of using the structure correctly, understanding the rules, and building the business on a foundation strong enough to hold its weight. If you are serious about protecting what you're building, you need more than just an online filing. You need a partner who understands the business terrain. At Dunlap Law, we are that partner.